Hello, this is a brief overview of the course syllabus. Uh, Much of it is standard, but I would like to point out that you can contact me Monday through Friday. If you have an urgent issue, you can text me on the weekdays. However, I am not available on the weekends. The course description and the course will focus on 4 top skills: applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. And I have a video here explaining this visual. Here's the textbook. Be sure you note that I do not use the lab. I am replacing the lab with a tool called Yellow Dig. We have the objectives of the course and how it will be evaluated, the course objectives. The delivery is primarily through video presentations that I give you, as well as Yellow Dig and team and individual work. Notice the grade percentages. 93 and up is an A, 85 to 92 is a B, etc. All work is due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. and here are the dates of the activities, the points, and the due date. This information is on the syllabus. There's a number of course policies that I have here. No grade will be rolled up. 84 is a C. Yellow Dig deadline expires Sunday at midnight. I can do nothing about that. And if you miss it, that's it. You've left points on the table. So please manage your time wisely. Don't wait to Sunday near midnight. Your grades will always be in percentages, so you will always know where you stand. If you need technology help, please do not contact me. Contact Tiger Tech. And I have information here of how to contact them. We have a major topic, which will be the job search plan. And so I urge you to sit down and do a timeline. I am aware that almost everyone is a working adult. You have work responsibilities and family responsibilities. Last semester, Career Services rolled out a new tool called Handshake. Please familiarize yourself with Handshake and register. You will have 2 team reports, and this provides all the information you need. The first team presentation will be on research, as well as the second team presentation. There is a new Blackboard appearance for mobile devices, and here's a link for further information. Well, this has been a brief overview of the course syllabus.